Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside.
There he is. Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. Connor here. Today I'm riding with my buddy Owen right up here. I think I'm gonna try to practice some one-handed wheelies today. That'll be the goal. Only gonna ride for a little bit. See if we can scare him.
I saw you.
You saw me? I was trying to scare you, dude. GoPro, look at that.
I know.
Yeah, you like the Birds jersey? Whew, we're back on our dual moto vlog. We're gonna run to MLK, a little wheelie street, see what we can't do.
Man, it is cold today. Connor's looking very festive in his jersey today.
Yeah, we got that AJ Brown. Don't tell anyone it's Wentz. It's actually just AJ Brown. I figured you gotta wear it for the playoffs today, you know?
Yeah, go Birds, go Birds.
First wheelie of the day? Woo! Yeah, my hands are chilly, but I'm okay. I'll be strong.
You want a good one?
Woo! But no, once we get to the street we want to be on, I'm gonna try and practice like a one-hander maybe. I was watching a couple tutorials. I see you're supposed to lock the bar so you have more stability, and then from there take a handoff, I guess. And you have to like basically hook your foot under the peg. There's a lot of variables in play, but I'll give it a try because I feel like a one-hander will look sick.
We'll see how that goes.
All right, so we got to pop it up, hook the bars to the right, hook your foot, and then take your hand off. I don't know, dude. That's just kind of hard.
Oh my god, dude! I just got bucked by my bike, dude.
Woo! This damn slant here.
Why is that happening, bro? Dude, I swear, bro. Holy fuck, hold up.
All right, so we determined that Owen's problems are in fact made up, and there's nothing wrong with his bike.
Yeah, guys, I fixed the problem with the bike. It was all the throttle. I rewired it on the fly, though, because I know what I'm doing.
I don't know if I can do the one-handers, dude. I'm scared. Woo! How dare I even talk about one-handers?
No, dude, this is a real problem, bruh.
Give me your bike. I'll show you it's not a problem. Let's spin around. I'll show you. All right. Yeah, let me see how it feels. All right, now I got to show Owen that he's just tweaking. We can wheelie this bike. Oh, wait. Owen, your phone is here, too.
Dude, your shifter is...
Yeah, my shifter is beyond. Dude, it still clutches up fine. It's just you. It's just you, bro. You're hitting a mental block. Dude, you gotta give it more gas than you think, I'm telling you.
No, but dude, I swear, bro, I'll be giving it like full throttle.
Bro, you need to get a gripper seat on this. This thing is so slippery. Balance point? Dude, I like this bike. This is pretty smooth. Dude, I think I want to keep this. I guess that's what a little more power does. It makes it so much easier to wheelie. Holy f. Dude, if I like rode this bike for like a month, dude, I would literally be infinitely better at wheelies. Yeah, dude, so we did prove that Owen's bike is fine and he can in fact wheelie it. So he just needs to, you know, give it a little more beans.
More oomph.
Your bike is still a smelly little bike, I'll tell you that though.
Yeah, dude, slipping on the seat is like seriously not fun.
Dude, if you get a gripper seat, you'll love it. There you go. bro.
My ass is on the tail light, dude. Connor thought that the geese were a freaking eagle, dude.
Coming in hot, baby. Yeah, I guess I literally prefaced this by saying I wanted to practice one-hand wheelies today, but it turns out I'm just too much of a baby. I'm gonna show you a little spot. I'm gonna try and have you complete a task right now.
Dude, what the hell are you talking about?
This will be no easy task, but you can do it.
So Connor says he has a trial for me.
I'll do it first to show you. I've actually never done it on supermoto wheels, but it should be fine. All right, so I'm gonna conquer this little hill here.
Oh, you're going up that grass hill, dude? Dude, that's not even fun, bro.
That's what I'm doing, bro. What is not to understand? You got this, dude. Just to show you guys the steepness of this. I don't even know if the camera does it justice. GoPros definitely don't, but it's pretty steep.
It's very steep. It's very steep. Oh my god, dude.
Like nothing. You just need to conquer the initial fear and then it's easy. Go back down it. Just roll over the curb and you just roll down it. Oh, it doesn't even need gas. There you go.
Wow. Dude, I feel like I'm on top of the world right now. It does, dude. I mean, I kind of f***ed it up, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so now that Connor's seen how it's done, he's gonna give it a shot. Can you get up to my level? Literally?
Dude, I love the way you're framing all this. This is like propaganda, the video that you're making out of this.
Connor, you are my viewer.
I am your viewer. You've got 2 subs, dude. I don't know who the other one is, but...
Oh, there you go. I'm just kidding. Connor came out here before and he found this little self-made trial, which I love. I love that you came out here and just kind of tested yourself.
If I can do a donut.
Someone asked you to do a pavement donut.
Yeah, KG Rallo asked me to. Oh, dude, it's so hard. There's so much grip. Bro, I don't know how you do these donuts. You know how, dude? He's got a KTM 500. There's a little bit more power. Well, that's the excuse I'll use anyways.
Wow, that was one of the best ones you've ever done. That was concentric, dude. That was like a good...
Oh, it's just so weird, like it grips back up and then you're like, ah, Ferrari. Oh, he's even got the tire letters. Let's hear it in the tunnel. Let's hear it in the tunnel. Bye, Ferrari. Rev limiter. I'm gonna try what's called a coaster, which is when you go back and pull in the clutch. I don't think I'm far enough back for this coaster. Listen to that.
Connor's just a cool guy with a cool bike, hanging out all the time.
All right. See what you got on this road, Owen. Send it, buddy. Send it.
Woo! Did you see that one, bro?
All right, guys. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out Owen's channel. I'll link it down below in the description. But otherwise, peace. Go Birds! Go Birds! Go Birds! Go Birds, peace!
Gotta split the profits with the ones that came. With your other homies, share the vision, yeah, we got the same picture. You won't catch me in the club, I like to meditate.